Me, you're such a dummy, the next will feel lucky. You know that it's good, I turned you to a junkie. I made you better, I let it go when your stories ain't add up. Boy, you not shit, you the nigga that had her. You're yesterday, cause today you don't matter.
Hi, my name is Kaysley. Welcome to my channel. If you like my content, please like and subscribe. Today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial with pencils, okay? Now, ignore my face. I have on Becca Cosmetics Ever Matte Primer. This is your best friend if you have oily skin, ladies. This will like dry you right out and keep you dry all day. Not dry to where it looks like okay, but you know, it doesn't let your oil seep through. Okay, so what you're gonna need are two pencils. I have one in the color Simma Brown and another in the color Black Brown. I have my spoolie and my concealer. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna start by brushing my eyebrow into the place that I want it. I'm gonna do one off camera and the rest of my face. I'm gonna do one on camera and then the rest of my face, I'm gonna do it off camera. Just so you can kind of get the hang of it. Okay, now I'm gonna take my pencil in the color Simma Brown. Can you see that? Focus. Simma Brown, and I'm gonna line the bottom of my eyebrow into the desired shape I want, because as you can see, my eyebrows are really small. So I'm gonna go into the desired shape I want. I like thick eyebrows. Okay, then I'm gonna go up top. Just like that. I'm gonna go, excuse my weird faces I'm making that just to make sure I'm getting it right. So I'm just making basically the eyebrow shape I want, and if you mess up, it's okay, because that's what concealer's for. Okay, then I'm gonna go ahead and color in. I don't go all the way to the end, I just kind of like leave it. And then I'm going to take my black brown pencil and just go over just some strokes. Not as much as I did the Simma Brown, but just so it's not too light, you know. Then I'm gonna take my spoolie and I'm gonna brush it up, covering any gray spots I may have from my primer. And then since I don't have eyebrows over here, I take one hand, I pull up on one eyebrow, and I take my spoolie and I brush it out this way. You see? How it creates like a fader look. At the end of my makeup, I actually take my pencil and I do like little strokes, hair-like strokes. And complete the look basically, but I'm gonna show you my after makeup because I don't do that until after I've done everything already. So now I'm doing my concealer, and I have MAC concealer NC45. Sometimes I use that, sometimes I use the color Fawn in LA Girl Pro Concealer. Fawn. Yeah, that's the only concealer I like. I tried a couple of others and I just didn't like them. I tried Smashbox. It was just too dry and thin. It wasn't really much coverage. It looked like it just thinned out, you know? I just put a little on the back of my hand and now I'm like dabbing my little slanted brush. This is just a brush I got from wherever. It's nothing special. The name that's on it is Clean Color with a K. So I probably got it from like Walmart or something. Now I'm just cleaning it up. You know, clean up the middle because we don't want unibrow. And like I said, I'm gonna do the little hair strokes. Do the little hair strokes at the end. Okay, so here's one, here's the other. Now I'm gonna finish my makeup and I will see you guys later. So this is the finished look. Doesn't really look like I don't have eyebrows, right? So if you want to see me do this complete makeup look, please comment below and like and subscribe. All of the products used will be in the description box. Even if you want to see, this is a frontal. If you want to see me put this on, like and subscribe as well, and I'll do a tutorial on how I do my frontals.